sick streets.
My name is Morgie Morgan. I drive a 1999 Honda Civic, which has a K24 swap inside of it. I am an auto mechanic by profession, and my biggest hobby is racing. I've been racing from 2001, when I used to have a 1995 Turbo Starlet, which I used to run in the 12-second class. My biggest rival, well, when I had my Starlet, Seymour Anderson, when he had his B13 wagon, was one of my biggest rivals, along with Big Rat with his Toyota Corolla wagon. Well, my biggest rival today, I would say, boy, that's a tough one. But I would say Blue, because you know him always make some threat, and always I say the car no good, but we there have to make him know what's happening, you know. All right, my biggest challenge, I would say, was last Tuesday. Car was on a dyno, ran perfectly all right. When tuning it all motor, throw it in race gas and say, going to run nitrous now. Wow, car just started to go rich. Tuner say, the car having a problem, trying to figure it out, can't figure it out. We say, all right, call it a night. That was about 12 o'clock in the morning. Wednesday, I said, we could try check the injectors. We found out the injector them block up, and we just went ahead from there and put in another set of injector. And then, boom, car made good power. My best quarter mile time to date is with my nostrily aspirated car here now. Personal best of 11.6, and in the past I've done 11.7 with my boost setup when it was B18. To be honest with you, I'm looking for a 10-second pass at the next drag rival meet. For drag rivals too, the fans can expect to see Morgie's car try to put on a 10-second pass and hope to have an issue-free day. All right, I want to send a big shout out to my good friend, my brother, Lizard, aka Mr. Laz. I want to send another big up to my friend Corey, my brother, everybody that was here with me throughout the entire racing season. And I also want to big up my sponsors, Creative Barbers and Morgie's Performance. You know, say, me is not really a man to be on the call out thing, but I wouldn't mind see if I can get a call out and see what Blue have to deal with, you know? See how we can square off this thing.
The 31st, you have to be there to see who I will kill.
Him say I have the baddest nostril car for B series. I want to see if I have the baddest nostril car in the K series. So inside of the back there, I take a beat on a bad. You hear that?
The competitive K series will be my next rival, not the common Ks. Talking about the capital Ks, of course.
Well, me hear them talk about capital K and common K now. Well, I know that I don't have a capital or a common K. I have a monster K, which comes to the damage. Yeah man, you can hear me now? 11.6. And in the previous car setup, car started to get rich. We did everything that we could see. Cut. So remember, March 31st, Drag Rivals 2, see you there. Big up Kenty Racing on 876 Streets.